Sachin is saying Bank Nifty broke the range today. Every retail trader knows support is broken. They will look for sell only. These conditions will be used by smart money to trap. Yes, but we need to see the trap happening. Don't anticipate the trap. If you try to anticipate the trap, you might be a part of that trap. Okay, so like you are anticipating an up move, you really don't know what they have in mind. Okay, whether they are trying to trap the sellers or they are trying to trap the buyers, we really don't know. So let's say buyers come here, you are happy, market is going higher, suddenly it goes above this and then falls sharply. You will be stuck in the position. You buy here, you expect probably this HVN to be tagged, and market reverses well before that, does not even manage to close the gap. Again, you are trapped in that position. Yes, ideally you can expect that, and the other reason is this: we are right at the bottom of the consolidation, or that previous long-term swing low, right? It was a big swing low. So yes, definitely, like if people are selling here anticipating a breakdown, or lots of people had stop loss below this low and now they are those stop losses are out of the market, what do you think market is likely to do? It can go higher. Definitely it can go higher. I'm not saying it won't, and even I warned about it in the quick update and also during today's session. But I am not keen on buying here. If I want to bet on the upside, I will wait for the market to cross above this HVN, find acceptance, then continue higher. Then probably here in this up move, I might be interested to buy, because there are these single prints, and if we don't reject quickly, then they will be repaired quickly. All this is poor structure will be repaired quickly, and we will be here in no time. But for that, this HVN needs to be taken out. If it is not, then no. Then it's difficult to bet from the long side.